That's right, another husband episode. Today we're making my mashed potatoes, so let's get started.
Today's video is all about making classic mashed potato. Here are the ingredients and the items you'll need.
Go ahead and fill the sink with 2 to 4 gallons of water, and you're going to add 8 to 10 russet potatoes. Now peel your potatoes and place them in cold water. On a chopping board, cut your potatoes into about 1-inch chunks. Fill a large pot with 3 to 4 quarts of water. Go ahead and place your pot of water on the stove, setting it to high, cover, and wait for it to boil. Now grab your sliced potatoes and place them in the boiling water. Remove extra water as necessary to avoid a boil over. Cook the potatoes for 20 to 30 minutes over medium heat. Go ahead and shake your canned milk and pour the entire contents into your mixing bowl. Now go ahead and add 3/4 tablespoon of salt and 3/4 tablespoon of pepper. Go ahead and add 6 tablespoons of salted butter softened. After about 25 minutes of boiling, check your potatoes by cutting one in half and seeing how soft it is. It should be soft all the way through. Go ahead and drain the water from your potatoes. While your potatoes are still hot, add them to your mixing bowl. Attach wire whip to your stand mixer. Start off by setting your mixer to low. Increase the speed as necessary as the potatoes soften. Occasionally stop the mixer and push your potatoes towards the center. And continue to mix. I added the rest of my stick of butter, but you can make it how you like it. Continue mixing until your mashed potatoes are creamy. Let's give it a test and see how it tastes. It's so good, so good. Go ahead and transfer your mashed potatoes into a serving bowl and enjoy. There you have it, my classic mashed potatoes. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe for more cooking recipes and videos. And hopefully when COVID's over, we'll get back to some travel. But we really appreciate you guys. Hope you have a good day. The cat thinks it's for him. If you use less potatoes, you're making a smaller batch. Use less milk. Do you help me make mashed potatoes?